Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Risica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. And if you are not new here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween decor haul. I feel like I'm really behind with the whole Halloween decorations. I went to Home Goods yesterday and they already were pulling out Christmas stuff. And as I'm recording this, it's not even October yet. I haven't even decorated for Halloween downstairs. My plan is to do this haul and then I will decorate and I'll put that at the end of this video. But Halloween is near. It's close to October, not October yet. So that is when I start decorating for Halloween. I apologize if I've been a little bit absent, but now we're back. It's Halloween. It's the best time of the year in my opinion. So let's get started with today's haul. So almost everything that I got is from Joann's or Target, and I have one thing from Home Goods that my sister got me. So I'm gonna start with that, then I'm gonna do Target and then Joann's. So the first thing is my sister got me this pug frame. It says, "I put a spell on you." It's like fabric and cute. She sent me a picture of it. She's like, "Hey, do you want this?" And the question was, I absolutely do. I don't think it was super expensive. She painted the frame black for me. It was like brown and I just didn't think that fit the spooky vibe. So I put a spell on you. We have a pug, Lola, so I thought this was perfect. I'm gonna sit this out. We have like a ledge in front of our kitchen, so I'm gonna put that there. I'll try to remember to take a video of once I put this all out so you can see it. But yes, this is adorable and from Home Goods. And then next up are a few items from Target that I got from the dollar section. The first thing I got was this little adorable ghost mug. It was $3. It was in, again, like the dollar section. I think it's so cute. I drink espresso typically in the morning, so this will be perfect for my espresso, and a little bit of cream. It's like the perfect size. It's adorable. I love it. And when I went back, they didn't have any more of these, so just check your dollar section if they restock these things because things come and go. And then I saw this. This doesn't really match any of my decor at all, but it's this little ghost and it lights up. I don't know if you can see his little eyes on right now, but he's all lit up and cute, and he's just like the most precious thing I've ever seen. And he was $5. There was like a cat one and I think there was another one too, but this little ghost with the little scarf is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Again, in the dollar section, had to have this little cutie. Next up from Target is, this is for my dog Finn's birthday portrait. She's gonna be 6 this year. So I got her these skeleton face balloons. Hopefully you can see this. For her birthday portrait, we're doing like more spooky. Normally you do like fall theme, but I was like, this year, because she's black and white, she's gonna have some spooky ghosts, which I think will be adorable. These were only $3, really cute. A pug just stormed in here, so if you see my camera shaking, it's from her. Come on. She's here. She has arrived. Hi. So the other thing that I got are these, like, they're kind of like a blackish gray marbled pumpkin. They are adorable to me. They have 2 different sizes. My Target only had like the larger size like this. So I got 2 of these. I think they're around $15 each. And they're gonna go on my dining room table with a bunch of like black candles. So a little bit closer for you to see. And that is my marble pumpkin. The last couple items I got from Target are pillows. I actually got these on sale for $20. They're from Threshold. And they have like a snake, some roses, some spider webs. Hopefully you can see the detail. They have like little tassels. I definitely needed more Halloween pillows. I only have 2, which is surprising because David always is like, we don't need any more throw pillows, but for Halloween I only have 2, and we have 2 couches, so I'm gonna put these on the couches just to kind of like even it out and make it look cute. So I'm using our old pillows and then adding these as well. So again, these are from Target. Super fun, not as like loud Halloween, but you know I love It's $20. All right, next up are the items that I got at Joann's, and I got a lot at Joann's. I always get a lot at Joann's. I love the Joann Fabrics vibes for Halloween and even like Christmas and really all the holidays. I just love that it's like not the same every year. Like I feel like kind of Target reuses the same style of stuff every year. It's rare to have like a lot of new items. So I just really like that Joann's every year, new vibe, we're doing it. So this year I got 2 of these black, I guess I would call them like rugs. You can see here, it's just a big black rug that the dogs are going to love. Finn will probably eat the fur on this because that's just what she does, but I wanted to use it as a throw on my like sofa. I'll show you what I'm kind of thinking when I put them out. But these were, everything at Joann's is expensive. So I always wait until it's like 50 to 60% off. So this was $40. This was $40, but I got it for 60% off. So it was definitely more reasonable. So I would definitely hold out, people, until the sales are on, because you don't, I mean, it's out for a month. You don't want to spend that much money on it. So I did wait until they were 60% off, and I was able to get everything I wanted. So just wait, it will be there. This pug, I had to kick Lola out because she always wants to be like right on my lap. So she's right here. So if you sense a presence, it's Lola. She always wants to be like directly on me, and I'm like, I can't suit you right now, just sit. So she's here. So the next couple items I got are dish towels. I got this one that you'll see the vibe in a minute with everything. It says I can see you. Love the little tassels. And I also got this one, which is just like skeletons but a little floral, again with the tassels. I just thought that these next to each other are really cute. This is from the Haunted Hollow collection, which is more like earthy, but I thought that these went together really well. And this is from the Mysterial is what they're calling it for this one. These were both $12.99, which is insane, but again I got them for 60% off, so I can justify that purchase, even though it's very expensive. Again, not cheap. I also got these napkins that say I can see you. Really cute, matches the vibe with everything, same print. And then I got 2 different kinds of plates for Halloween. I think this is from the Haunted Hollow collection. So this one says it's never too early for Halloween. It has this like moth. It definitely is giving Silence of the Lamb vibes. One of my favorites. So I got this little plate for dessert, and then I got this larger like oval plate for $7.99 that just has like a skull and like the moths and like some greenery. I think it's really, really cute. I always do like a grand meal for Halloween. For trick-or-treaters, I invite my family over and I be cooking. So I cook a lot and we eat, and then we have trick-or-treaters. So it's really fun. The other thing that I got is this vinyl tablecloth. Again, this is from like the mystical section. It has like the eye, the moon. I think there's like a little snake. It's kind of like tarot cardy. This was only $9.99, so I don't understand why a dish towel is $12.99 and tablecloth is only $9.99. But again, I've said this like 100 million times. Everything was 60% off, so it was less than what I'm showing you now. The other items I'm gonna have to show you, I'm gonna have to like push this camera back to show you the goods. So next up, I got this Halloween welcome mat. I'm switching up the vibe this year for our front door decor. I'm doing kind of like spooky but like classic Halloween. I was going to do huge black pumpkins. I actually grew my own pumpkins, but something, I don't want to name names, I think it was the neighborhood groundhog, ate absolutely every single one of my pumpkins, like took it away, like picked it off the vine and took it away with him. So I'm gonna do like white pumpkins, white mums, and then do touches of black. So I got this welcome mat. This was only $10, which is awesome. I feel like the Joann's welcome mats are not like one season and this will probably be done from the wear and tear, but I do really love this one. I think it's really cute. I love the bat. I think it's absolutely adorable. This is my pride and joy. I hope you can see it. This is the large ceramic ghost that is going on my porch. Apparently these have been all over TikTok and selling out, but I got one and I'm so excited about it. His eyes are supposed to light up. Oh, they are lighting up. You probably can't see it on the camera, but look how cute. I love this ghost. Is like the best $60 purchase of my life. It was originally like $130, which is so expensive, but again, I waited until it was 60% off. I did an order pickup and got an extra 20% off my entire order, so that made these ghosts super worth it, and I'm so happy. It like warms my heart. So I will show you now the additional little small items that I got at Target, and I'm gonna start decorating for Halloween. I'll show you how I decorate, I'll show you the porch. But yeah, that's kind of the vibe for this Halloween. So here is the pillows, the black fur. Again, dog barrier on our couch because dog problems. Then over here is the I Put a Spell on You. Again, it's like on this ledge, kind of by my coffee maker. Over in the corner, how cute. And then over here is the very dark and spooky table with candles. I have these little salt and pepper shaker ghosts. There's the pumpkins. I love it.